Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. So today's tutorial will be done with Beautify by Amna's brushes. You guys can read all about it in the description box. Okay, these are ulte. Yeah, now they're seedhe. Okay, so you can see that there are a lot of brushes right here, and I'll show you which one is used for what. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for the eyebrow brush. Where are you? Here it is. Okay, so this is the eyebrow brush. It's two-ended and I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrows. As you guys know, I'm using my Luscious Brow Toolkit and I completely love it. Now I'm quickly gonna go on to the eye makeup and I'm going to prime my eyes using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This works best because this makes a good primer for your eyes. Now I'm quickly just gonna blend this in with my fingers because I think this is way too bright, as you guys can see it. Now going into the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals palette. I'm picking up this slight pink over here and using the big buff brush by Beautify by Amna. You guys can see how this thing works right here. So I'm first of all creating a transition color using a pinkish color that you guys can see right here. And later on, after I've blended this one out, I'm going to add a darker color. So I have actually picked the darker color and I'm just blending that in. You guys can see how it's adding more dimension to the look right here. So yeah, ouch. Yeah, that hurt in real as well. So yeah, that's exactly how we're going to be starting off this eye makeup look. Now I'm going to take the MODSKOT palette by Zayfied and I'm taking this blue color right here and this brush right here. So I'm going to put this color right in the center of my eye makeup look, from the crease to the socket. So you guys can see how this is like me creating a line using the blue color. This color is not really very hard to apply or something. It's just that I was working in strokes really softly because I just didn't want to go wrong, you know, with this look anywhere. So this is me just being careful. Now I'm just gonna quickly blend the harsh lines with the pink on the corners so that it doesn't look like a thappa in the middle of the eyes. It needs to look balanced. Now obviously that we have applied it on the crease as well, so we need to balance that out as well. So I'm just going to quickly try to fix that, you know, harsh blue line that definitely will be there at the top of our look. Now I'm picking up this purple from this palette and I'm just going to quickly, you know, intensify this whole eye makeup look by adding this color exactly where the pink was added previously, because I felt like it needed more life, more of a deep purple or a pinkish tone to give it more intensity. So this is me trying to just make it look more intense. You guys can see how this is working out. Compare both the eyes and you'll see that this one obviously looks way better. So yeah, this is just me digging into the palette a little bit deeper. Now of course I'm going to clear the harsh lines and I'll be using the same buff brush sorry. So that's what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going to take this brown and I'm quickly going to put it in the lower lash line so that of course it should look good. A complete eye makeup look needs a lower lash line color. Moving on, I'm going to go to this palette. This is my favorite glitter palette. It's by Beauty Glazed and I'm just going to quickly apply the blue eyeshadow sparkles or sprinkles on top of my eyes. You guys can see how pretty they look, and oh yeah, they apply perfectly. Now give me a second while I apply my lashes and be right back. And I'm back. And I put on some really thick eyelashes and I'm quickly going to highlight the inner corner as I forgot previously. Now we're gonna move on to the foundation. I am just gonna put some, you know, like, well, this is a very good amount of foundation, but yeah, I needed to put it. So I'm gonna put a lot of foundation on my face I will blend it out obviously. And this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I'm in love with it these days. If you guys haven't checked out its review, check it out. It's linked in the description box. And yeah, I'm just going to use this foundation brush by Beautify by Amna. This one is a really good brush and it works wonders. So yeah, do not forget that whenever you apply foundation, never forget your ears and your neck as well. Whatever part is showing, you should apply foundation to that part. Time to conceal. Now I'm taking this concealer right here. By the way, I'm in the shade Fair Clair. Yeah. So I'm just going to apply this right here. I'm not just concealing, I'm even highlighting with it. So you guys can see that I'm doing the highlighting and concealing technique with it right here. Now using this sponge by Beautify by Amna, I'm just going to quickly blend all of this out so that it looks caked and baked. Now I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible powder just to set all that concealing that we have done. Moving on to the contouring. So because I look as white as my shirt right here, I'm just going to quickly make some contour lines. You guys know I don't have any features without contouring, so yeah, I need that shiz in my life. So I'm just going to quickly contour my cheekbones, which I don't have, try to make one, but yeah, my nose, my cheekbones and my jaw, because a jaw I don't own, a double chin I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do this, and then I am still gonna be working on my nose definitely, but then I'm going to pick up a brush by Beautify by Amna. Well, I used it, this one right here, and I used it to blend all of this makeup in. It didn't really, you know, give me that effect that I needed, so I picked up the bronzer brush from their makeup from their brushes, and I'm quickly going to bronze my face with it. My favorite part, the highlighter. I love it. So I'm quickly gonna put on Marshmallow by the Glow Kit from, this is the Sweets Glow Kit by Anastasia. If you guys don't know, how can you guys not know? If you see my tutorials, you know, because this is the only kit I use because I'm crazy about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly highlight everywhere, especially on that nose, the lip area, the chin, and a little bit on the forehead, just like that. Moving on, I started doing a little different thing with my lips these days, which is why everyone's telling me that I've had a lip surgery, blah blah blah, but it's actually not that. I'm just lining my lips using one of these Luscious Pout Maker lipsticks. These are really cool. So basically what I do is this. I first line them, I fill the corners in, and then I apply a shade lighter in the center of the lips. So I lip contour. I'm using this lip gloss right here. This is a shade lighter than what I used previously, and I'm just going to fill it in, so you know, it'll give me that huge lip effect. So no guys, I haven't had a surgery. I can't, my mummy will kill me. So this is just me doing the lip surgery shiz using makeup. You guys can try that too. So here I'm awkwardly trying to apply lipstick. I wore a dupatta right here. All of the people get happy. And we're done with this tutorial right here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. I wanna see you.